Okay.
Okay, I was the one that was home today when the Zen Windows men came to work, install the windows, and they were great to work with. They came in and put all the drop cloths down and installed the windows. It took them no time whatsoever, and I'm a neat freak, so they cleaned everything up, took care of everything, took good care of it, and they were really nice guys, and it was very simple. They were easy to deal with, and they were out. They did the inside first so I could have my house back, and they were out of here in no time. They were great. Now they're doing the outside. Took no time.
Okay.
So it was no problem at all.
Thank you.